The reason we have such problems lies in our brains. Millions of years of evolution resulted in a brain that slept at night and was wide awake during the daytime. And in fact, that was a good thing to do when one lived in a caveman existence. We weren't very good competitors at night. And one of the key things that we evolved in that period of time was a small biological clock. It's called the suprachiasmatic nucleus. Now, it's very small. It's about a pinhead in size, about 1/3 of a millimeter. It's located in one of the oldest parts of the brain, the hypothalamus. And it's connected via visual tract, visual pathways from the eye down here. And this biological clock is kept in sync with dawn and dusk through messages coming up from the eyes. And it, in turn, synchronizes and controls those patterns of drowsiness and of sleep and of alertness.
This tiny bunch of nerve cells controls the daily circadian rhythms of our bodies. Linked to dawn and dusk, it times secretion of the hormone melatonin at night, which helps us to sleep. It also drives the cycle of body temperature, which climbs through the day, falls to a minimum at about 5 a.m., and then climbs towards dawn. Alertness follows the same cyclic pattern: a post-lunch dip, and then the brain's lowest ebb before dawn. It is the biological clock that makes us coldest, drowsiest, quietest, and most vulnerable to accident just before dawn.
I don't normally keep brains in my kitchen. In fact, this isn't a normal kitchen at all. Where we are is that we're in an unusual apartment. An apartment without any windows, no time cues here, no sound coming in from the outside. In fact, where we are is in the middle of a laboratory. We're studying here, in this research center, how people can function 24 hours a day. The question is, how can we apply all the knowledge that's been learnt over the last 30 years and how that suprachiasmatic nucleus works and how brain alertness and behavior is controlled? We're applying that to the challenge of keeping people awake around the clock.